was the second chapter of second standard computer. Today we are going to study the second chapter of computer. All of you have studied the first chapter and have you understood the chapter? Now in this chapter you are going to study the various devices of a computer. Now tell me, what are the parts of a computer? A monitor, CPU, keyboard and a mouse constitutes a computer. That are the main parts of a computer. Now there are also various other devices connected to the computer. Now what are the devices that are connected to the computer? We have speakers, headphones, microphones, CPU and DVD, etc. are some of them. In this chapter you are going to study about, first you are going to study about the speakers and headphones. You all might have seen a speaker or a headphone, right? What is the main difference between a speaker and a headphone? These two are connected to the CPU box and we use these speakers and headphones to listen to music, right? By using a speaker, the person around you can also hear the sound, but by using a headphone, only the person who is wearing the headphone can hear the sound. Clear? By using a speaker, the sound produced by a speaker can be heard by everyone, right? But the sound from a headphone cannot be heard by anyone. Only the person who had kept the headphone can hear the sound. No other sound can be heard by him also. Okay, clear? Now the next is microphone. What's a microphone? A microphone is used to record the sound. Clear? Now next device you are going to study is a CD or a DVD drive. You all might have seen a CD, right? What is the peculiarity of a CD? A CD or DVD is round in shape. A CD or a DVD has to be placed in a CD or DVD player. Then only we can see the pictures or photos present in it. Clear? The CD or DVD drive is a part of the CPU box. The drive reads the contents of the CD and plays it on the monitor. Clear? In a CD or DVD we can store photographs, songs, films, etc. But we can watch it only through a monitor by placing the CD or DVD in a CD drive or a VCD drive. Clear? A DVD can store so many amount of data can a CD. A DVD can hold more pictures than a CD. A DVD can hold more contents than a CD. Now next is the UPS. UPS means uninterrupted power supply. How will a computer works? A computer works with electricity. But what will a computer do when electricity goes? If there is no power supply? If there is no power supply, an UPS supplies the electricity to computer to work for a short time, right? During this time period, the person can save the data which they have performed and can shut down the computer. This all much in this second chapter. Now we have studied about the speakers and headphones, microphones, CD or DVD drive and UPS. These are the devices what we use with a computer. A headset is a device that has both a microphone and a headphone. Clear? Now this much in the second chapter. Hope all of you have understood the second chapter. See you again in the next class. Okay, thank you.